Once again, the sun is out in full blast. But hi, we're doing another roll for makeup because I had so much fun filming the last one. And as you can see, I am wearing a brunette wig today. I thought I'd just switch it up and we can see, you know, how this makeup goes, whatever it ends up being. How it goes with brunette hair. Bit of fun. The real reason, of course, is that I couldn't be bothered styling my own hair, so it's kind of just like sticking out in a plait in the back. I added a few more options for the eyeshadow roll, like the color combinations and everything. So we'll be using a different dice, but everything else is the same for now. Feel free to leave your suggestions down below for any other changes for next time. I'm just gonna keep doing them. I love them. The roller coaster of emotions while filming these is just something else. If you don't know how this video works, go watch my first one. I'll link it down below. We're gonna roll the pink dice twice for the color combination. Let's go. 13, which is pick 2 complementary colors. I'm actually going to use the 12-sided dice so we just get those first 12 colors in the list. Orange. So the color directly across from orange on this color chart is blue. So we're doing orange and blue. Thank you, dice. Thank you. Now let's roll for the eyeshadow shape. 6, bold wing. I'm going to find my colors. I'll be right back. So we've got the color block by Huda Beauty. This is the blue and green. Oh, there's some cool blues like that one next to it. Sorry about the nails, still have not got them done. We've also got the Neon Obsessions, which has a couple of like oranges, and I really liked this blue color and this orange from the Secret Sinner eyeshadow palette by P.O.BOX. I'm not sure if you can still get this, it's quite old. I'm thinking of doing like blue on the outer corner and then just like a simple like ombre to the best of my ability into orange on the inside. I'm going to start with the P.O.BOX Banging Blue eyeshadow base situation, and I need like a little angled liner, like winged liner brush. I absolutely love this color. Okay, so one of these days I really just want the what's it called, the like one color on each eye, because I love that look. I haven't done it in like years. I do feel like this will work though because it's such a bold color combination and it's like a graphic kind of shape. Something like that. I'm going to go in with a fair, which is that really dark navy blue that I showed from the P.O.BOX base. From that big P.O.BOX palette. I'm just gonna start by filling in some of this wing. This is like slightly nerve-wracking, holy crap. It's looking interesting so far. We haven't even added in the orange yet either. Now I'm going to go in, maybe this one. I feel like that one kind of matches with the vibe. And I'm using the tiniest brush known to man apparently. Let's switch that up. It's kind of cool. We've got to do orange. And that's where we could completely ruin this entire vibe. Like right now, I would vibe that middle color. Like do lime in the middle. Wouldn't that be cool? I feel like if we can make the last color combination from the last dice video work, we can make this work. I'm thinking of using this color too, but first I just feel like we need to map out some of that orange and figure out where it's going to go. So I'm going to use Cute and Coral. I'm just going to do a little drop of that on the inner. Oh, like do I just do a tiny bit like that and then blue on the rest? It's so hard to know. Yeah, I think so. Okay, first I'm gonna go in with, let's just go straight in with this one and set that base. This is kind of looking cool. And I think I'm gonna use some of the shimmer on top. So this color down the bottom in the middle to make it a bit more orangey rather than just like peachy orange. Like peach is still orange, but you know what I'm saying. We might have to do that same trick we did last time and put a little bit of like a duochrome color on top of the edge to make it blend. So I'm going to take the really light, well not really light, but this like lighter blue. Oh my god, the pigment on these is so good. Look at that. Oh, we don't have like a base on to get that sharp line in the middle. That's okay. Let's just see what happens. So I'm just going to leave it like that. It kind of looks like tie-dye. We will try to blend it in a second. It's almost got a touch of green in it, but I would definitely still call that blue. It's very full on. Okay, how do we make this blend? I'm gonna take the orange shimmer on my finger. Since I don't have any long nails, I can use my fingers on my eyes. Revolutionary. When I put this color on top of the blue, it kind of starts looking gold. Like it's not really blending very well. Look at this color. It's hectic. I don't really know where to go from here. Do I just pray that the dice give us something that we can work with, like glitter or something like that? It can help to like disguise it. Glitter or like a metallic eyeshadow or something like that. I'm really hoping it doesn't give us like graphic liner or something, because it's just I don't know. I think we just put our fate in the dice's hands and pray. So first we choose the colour. What am I hoping for? I think either matching with like one colour or almost like none. Let's see. 5. Match. Oh, I got it. Okay, so one colour. So I can choose one of the colours. And the eyeliner style next. 2 winged liner. I mean, it works. It's probably not necessary, but it works. I think I'll match the outer, like the outermost color so that the wing kind of blends in. This is my darkest like cake liner called Mood Ring. I feel like that could work. And then I'm even thinking, because it's not specified, I might do a 24/7 in Chaos on the waterline too. And I'm going to do that first because this is also matching. I have so much fallout. Oh god. Looks like I've custom mixed a colour last time and it literally looks like, what are the chances? Look at that. Does that not look identical? I'm just going to use my winged liner brush that I used for my eyeshadow and I'm just going to swirl into this. Yeah, see, it literally like matches. Okay, I'm going to have to clean that up with concealer. And I'll just take it all the way across so you can still kind of see it. I'm praying we get lashes today because if we roll just mascara, I feel like that's just gonna kill it. You literally cannot see the wing, but I promise there's a wing there. I'm just gonna clean up the edges. I'm still kind of annoyed by the blend of the two colours together. Next we're rolling for extra add-ons. I really don't know what to expect. 8? None. Oh, okay. Lashes. Alright, pray for me. Pray for me. What does that say? 3. Yes. Gonna be better. Dramatic lashes. Alright, so I'm gonna go grab some. We'll do mascara lashes. Hopefully the lashes can help tie this together. I was kind of hoping for, yeah, like glitter for the extras because I think I could have made it look so good with, yeah, glitter, but it's okay. You know what? Maybe, is it too late? Is it cheating to go back? Because I could take like a shimmerier blue and kind of put that. I'm gonna do it because it's my video and I'm making up the rules. I'm just gonna take a little bit of maybe the light blue from this palette, the glittery shimmery color, and I'm gonna, I don't think you can even see it. Fail. Oh my god guys, I've not worn these in so long. These were my ride or die lashes for years, so we're going to use Fantasy Foaming Lashes from XO Beauty. They look terrifying off right, but they are so wispy. They are dramatic, but I would still wear them with like a natural makeup look just to like give like, you know, impact. They are definitely on the dramatic side. They are foam ink, they are long, they are thick. Here is before Fantasy lashes and after. By the way, I also chose these because they don't have a super like dark black thick lash band, so they blend a lot better into that color. I was just thinking about the next step, lipstick, and I started freaking out again because I forgot that the dice pick the color and I just know I'm gonna get red, aren't I? I'm gonna get red. Let's see. If I roll nude again, that'd be great, but I feel like my luck's not gonna hit twice. Let's see. 6. Dealer's choice. Couldn't have been better. I'm not even thinking nude because we did nude last time, but something wearable. I'm thinking we do something like maybe with peachy tones to go with the orange, you know, there, and then we could do like orangey blush just to keep in theme and keep it fun. I'm gonna start with one of my like go-to peachy pinky peach lip pencils. And yes, it is a type of nude, but then I thought this was cool, like a peach sorbet kind of color. Might add like a little bit more peach on. Oh no, look, once it's actually on, it's way more peach. And now we're gonna roll for the finish. So it's glossy, just like last time. I want to put on this one. This looks so pretty. It's called Opal Magic by Charlotte Tilbury and it's super, super shimmery. Okay, now let's finish off the look and make it all kind of blend better with like some bronzer and everything. I do have a little bit of my She Glam Golden Sun just to warm up my complexion, but we need more bronzer just to really make it all merge. And then I'm also going to take a nice big fluffy brush and put that like almost on my brow bone because my brow bone looks so pale. The graphic shape with the fringe, I really actually like that. I think that is cool. It just frames the look really well. I'm no longer sure about the lips with the gloss on top. Like I feel like it's a bit like washes me out quite a bit. I'm gonna just a little bit of my Sephora collection satin lipstick or cream lipstick in 37 Hot in Havana. I feel like that just brightened up. Ooh, I dropped it. And for blush, I'm thinking something like this. Slowly build this up until I like how it looks. And for highlighter, this is the first one I grabbed, to be honest. This is Molten Glow by, this is Jouer, right? I think it should work though. It's just like a gold, like a nice gold though. It's not like yellow gold. It's like a beige gold, neutral gold. I can tell you right now, that is definitely a look I would never have put together without doing the dice. The only thing I wish that was a little bit different is, yeah, just that blend. I'm not too sure what I could have done there to make it better. Probably some other kind of like duochrome eyeshadow or something. But if we'd rolled glitter, I was just gonna pack glitter and like ombre glitter across that line. Maybe this tutorial will come in helpful for like one person one day. Maybe they will Google peach, blue, ombre, winged liner look with ombre lips. And maybe this will come up, and maybe I'll be that person's hero for a day. No, but seriously, this look definitely probably turned out worse than the last one. Like, let's be honest. I don't know. How do you think I went? I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.